There is a house built out of stone. Wooden floors, walls, and windows set. Tables and chairs worn by our elders. This is a place that I don't feel alone. This is a place that I go all my.
Have you been searching high and low for the perfect baby bed, you guys? Then look no further, you guys. First off, the color goes with everything. The design goes with either gender, boy or girl. You can actually take this off, turn it into a toddler bed, or buy the little add-on if you want. I didn't, but it works perfectly for both baby and toddlers. Let me show you something that I've never been able to do with any baby bed for the past 3 years. I can get in here, soothe my baby if I need to. My baby cannot wake my other kids up with the noisiness. You can hop back out. You guys, if you're intrigued, go check this out. I promise you, it won't disappoint.